Hey everyone, JTR Cards. In this video, I'll be opening an RC Explosion box by Philmington. This is my first subscription box that I've done, and so the first one that I've done on this channel. I was able to become a subscriber at the beginning of May. He made a few available, or had a few available, or expanded, or all of the above, and so I figured I liked what I saw in the RC Explosion boxes and the videos I've seen in the past, and so I wanted to go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't seen anything like this before, I'll leave a link to his channel in the description below, and after you've watched this video and liked and commented and subscribed if you're not a subscriber, head on over there to his channel and check out his content. He's very knowledgeable and has a unique perspective on the hobby. If you have seen this box before, then you know what you're in for, and let's get to ripping. So I was very surprised that I even got in on the subscription. This month I didn't expect to. I was hanging out late on April 30th and ooh, packing peanuts, and was hoping to get one, and I managed to get one. I don't know how many were available. He did leave a note on his webpage that there were going to be more than the usual amount of subscriptions available. So we'll see if that holds true for next month. So here's the literature that you get. This month's lineup is an 81 Fleer pack, and it's all baseball, or at least this product in its current setup is all baseball. 81 Fleer, 91 Upper Deck, 11 Chrome, 15 Bowman Draft, 17 Update, 18 Topps Chrome, 18 Heritage High Number, or rather 18 Series 2, 18 Update, 18 Heritage Minor League, 19 Update, and 2020 Series 1. Here's the rest of his information. And then on the back is what can be expected, and I'll just leave that to the side. Some of the product I'll need help with, and some of it I know because I've opened a ton of it. So packing peanuts for the ASMR people out there. So I'm gonna part of that, put that there, and get the rest of it, and that there, and get situated, and then away we will go. There you go, cats, enjoy. So I'm just gonna put this here and start with this 81 Fleer. We're looking for, well, the literature says we're looking for Harold Baines and Fernando Valenzuela, and yes, those rookie cards are in here, but I'm looking more for some of the veterans, and some of the people that may have second or third or fourth year cards in here than those rookies. There's no Tim Raines in here like there is in the Donruss and the Topps. So the gum looks pretty good for 39-year-old. I'm not eating it, but I'm just saying it looks all right. All right, so Bill Claudel, Jim Bibby, Gene Tennants. There we go, Johnny Bench. So that's, photo is way out of focus, but still it's Johnny Bench. Checklist, Ken Singleton, Thad Bosley, Billy Martin as a manager. Massively off-center John Vukovic. Oof. Barry Evans, Hector Cruz, Floyd Bannister, Ted Simmons, recently inducted to the Hall of Fame. Ted Simmons, you can debate whether he deserves to be there or not. Joe Lefebvre, Tom Hume, Larry Cox, and Bob Sykes. Cards are in really good condition. I mean, you can't do anything about the centering because they were cut the way they were cut, but edges look good, corners look good, so not too shabby. So we'll continue on to the 1991 Upper Deck. Rookies in here are going to be Chipper and Mike Mussina, and there's also a Michael Jordan card in here, and with The Last Dance and all that just wrapped up, his card when he was with the White Sox has gone through the roof. So we'll see what we get here. Start with a J unit. Hopefully these aren't bricked, and they all seem to be pretty well detached. That's not bad. All right. Yeah, I think we're good here. All right, so we have a J Buhner, Billy Hatcher, let's see, Howard Farmer, Robin Yount. It's not bad. Put that in the good pile. Bill Wegman, Doug Drabeck, Bob Kipper, Mike Witt, Star Rookie Checklist. Let's see here, Rich Gedman, Mark Eichhorn, I believe this is Matt Williams, Giants Checklist, Braves hologram sticker. Give that to one of the kids at school if I ever see them again. Moises Alou, groundbreaking, Robin Yount and Carlton Fisk. Pretty sure that's Yount and Fisk. And Charlie Lee Rant to round out the pack. So nothing doing there. And that's all fine and well. So let's move on to 2011 Chrome. We are looking for Freddie Freeman, Aroldis Chapman. This one I am going to have to. Chris Sale. And then autos of those guys. I think also Craig Kimbrell. So let's see what we get. Joe Patterson in the back. So up front we have a Carlos Ruiz, Tom Williamson, Joe Patterson, so a couple rookie pitchers. And let's see, so this is a Hank Conger, and it's the 62 design in a chrome. It's not really a heritage chrome. This is numbered to 1962. There you go. So that's an interesting card. I'll put that aside. That's a pretty cool card. On to 15 Bowman Draft. We are looking for Walker Buehler, Mike Soroka, Kyle Tucker, Benintendi, Austin Riley, Brendan Rodgers, and Scott Kingery. We're looking for Bowman firsts of those guys, plus their chrome parallels, and I think autos of those guys as well. Oh, and Benintendi, I think's in there. Yep, Benintendi's in there as well. Doesn't look like anything, so let's see what we get. We got a first moment of Mark Mathias paper, paper first of Chase Ingram, a refractor Bowman first of John Harris. I believe that's, no, it's just a refractor. I think it's a refractor, yeah. Courtney Hawkins, Albert Almora, Raul Mondesi, and Zach Lamond. Probably Zach Lamond. So, all right. So here we go, getting into some of the heavy hitters here. This is 17 updates. Looking for Benintendi, Judge, Yoan Moncada in his White Sox uni. Let's see, probably Chapman and Voit and Bregman. Let's see, am I missing anybody? Benintendi, Castillo, DeYoung, and Hader, and autos of Bellinger, Judge, Bregman, Moncada, and Bell. So on the back we have a Yu Darvish. We're going to start with Ben Taylor. Eric Young Jr., Derek Holland, Dallas Keuchel, Joey Votto, a insert of a Yu Darvish Gold Cup, Mark Leiter Jr., Anthony Alford, Brett Anderson, and Yu Darvish again. So nothing doing there. And we're going to move on to 18 Chrome. Base of Acuna, Torres, Ohtani, Devers, and Buehler. Refractors of those guys. Autos of those guys, as well as Ozzie Albies and Jack Flaherty. There's a Paul DeJong on the back. Nothing really thick in there. So we got a Clayton Kershaw, Robbie Cano refractor, Mike Fulmer, and Paul DeJong. Moving on to 18 Heritage High Number. We're looking for Acuna, Soto, Gleyber Torres, Austin Meadows, and Shohei Ohtani. Cordero back there. This is the only retail pack. I forgot to mention it in my wind-up, but all these packs are hobby packs. You can see right there, unless noted, and he makes note of that in his write-up, and Philmington makes note of it in his write-up, that the 18 Heritage is a retail version of this product. So I don't think there's going to be any action variants or flip stocks or anything like that. So let's go. Tom Nito, Yonder Alonso, I believe is a high number. Yep. Joe Musgrove, Rene Rivera, Lomo, and Franchy Cordero. So nothing doing there. Let's see, we have 18 Series 2. We're looking for Bat Down. We're looking for Landscape Gleyber. And I think as far as rookies go, I think there's Ohtani and Rhys Hoskins? Rhys Hoskins in this? Maybe, maybe not. Oh, Scott Kingery, that's right. All right. Scribner, Josh Bell, Future Stars. Pat Neshek. Carlos Gomez. Domingo Santana insert. Josh Hader foil Gold Cup. Not bad look card. Encarnacion, Hernan Perez, and Josh Fields. Rounding out that pack. On to 18 Update. We got 3 packs left. You're looking for same ones that you're looking for in Heritage High Number. Soto, Acuna, Torres, Ohtani, Meadows. This was the product that brought me back to collecting. So I have opened my fair share of this. All right, so Trinan, Yates, Haniger, Doolittle, Suarez, Dickerson, Betts, Moran, Gomez, and rookie combos of a couple Orioles pitchers. Okay. Yep. So nothing doing in that pack. Moving on to 19 Heritage Minor League. We're looking for Wander Franco, Luis Robert, Julio Rodriguez. Feels funny. Let's see. This product I haven't opened, full disclosure. Jordan Alvarez, Kalenic, Joey Bart. Short prints of Wander Franco, Luis Robert, Joe Adell, Jared Kalenic, and autos of Wander Franco, Jared Kalenic, Joey Bart, Nolan Gorman, Nico Horner, Casey Mize, and Nick Madrigal. So we have Matt Mercer, Cal Raleigh, Nick Neidert, Daniel Johnson, Ronaldo Hernandez, Sherwin Newton, okay, Forrest Whitley, and Vince Fernandez. Baby cakes. Oh, these minor league team names are the best. Alright, so nothing really doing there. 2 packs left. We got 19 update and then 2020 series 1. See, we're looking for, in 19 update, we're looking for Arias, we're looking for Vlad Jr., Keston Hira, Carter Kaboom, Austin Riley, Senzel, variations of those guys, along with Chris Paddock, Kevin Biggio, Yastrzemski, Chavis, Will Smith pitcher, and Oscar Mercado. So right off the bat, we got a Biggio rookie debut, Merrill Kelly, Martin Perez, Charlie Blackmon, Sergio Romo, Robbie Cano, 84 design, and yeah, not much there either. So we're down to our last pack. We're down to 2020 Series 1. Let's see, we're about a couple weeks away from Bowman, so looking forward to that. Was able to pick up some basketball the other day and have been opening that, so can't believe I found basketball out in retail. All right, so 2020 Series 1, we're looking for Jordan Alvarez, Gavin Lux, Bo Bichette, Aristides Aquino, and there's just a host of others. Nico Horner, Jesus Luzardo, and the list goes on and on and on. All right, so we're going to start with Polanco, Rafael Devers, Real Muto, Handyman, Matt Tice, Dan Vogelbach, Hyunjin Ryu, Ben Gamble, Starling Marte, Brandon Crawford, Austin Meadows, a home run card of Frankie Lindor, and that's it. So, thoughts? You know, if I look at this objectively, there's a lot of potential. And then as far as, you know, what we actually ended up getting, you know, I mean, that's to be expected. You know, not every pack's going to hit, and that is the chance that you take. And unfortunately, this box, or I shouldn't say this box, these sets of packs are indicative of sort of the gamble that you take every time you open a pack. And just from a results-oriented standpoint, sure, it wasn't the best box, but you know, the chances of hitting something certainly were there, and it just didn't work out. So that's why we keep coming back for more, and I'm certainly going to do that. And I can't wait to see next month's subscription box in that lineup. So with that being said, I'm going to wrap this up. If you go and hit that like button, I'd appreciate that. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and leave a comment. Tell me your thoughts about what you saw, and we will catch you next time. Stay safe, and I will see you guys later.